I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2013 Hyundai Sonata battery. First, park safely and engage the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery at the front passenger side. Disconnect the negative terminal first using a 10 mm wrench, then disconnect the positive terminal. Remove any hold-down clamp and lift the battery using both hands and proper posture to avoid spills or strain. Prepare your tools and workspace before you start removing the battery. Use a 10 mm wrench for most terminals and a soft brush or terminal cleaner to remove corrosion. Keep a tray or towel under the battery to catch drips and have baking soda mixed with water to neutralize any acid. If the battery is heavy, use a strap or ask someone to help lift it out safely without twisting your back. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfortable, durable wear while you work on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a pair if you want quality socks during wrenching. Now let's get back to the video. Follow step-by-step removal to avoid damage or injury. After disconnecting the negative terminal, always disconnect the positive next and tuck cables away to avoid contact. Undo the hold-down clamp bolts and lift the battery straight up, keeping it level to prevent acid spills. Inspect and clean the battery tray and terminals, replacing corroded clamps or cables if needed. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or return it to the retailer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.